Hello student, myself MD Hashwan Jaman from your civil engineering department and myself also your irrigation engineering class teacher. I hope in this condition you and your family is well and good. Today we discuss about average depth of precipitation or average depth of rainfall and its calculated methods and math of average depth of rainfall. So in the beginning you must be clear that what is the definition of average depth of precipitation. What is the meaning of the average depth of precipitation? Average depth of precipitation means that the average depth of rainfall. It means that the depth of rainfall, average depth of rainfall is known as the average depth of precipitation. So what is the need of average depth of precipitation? We know that the amount of rainfall may not be equal at all rain gauge station. Suppose it is the area and here is the rain gauge, here is the rain gauge, here is the rain gauge, here is the rain gauge. 1 2 3 4 rain gauge here, but the amount of rainfall may not be equal in the wall rain gauge station, since the average rainfall of the basin is required to estimate the runoff from the basin. So the average runoff of the basin is required to estimate. And there are different type of method to estimate the average depth of rainfall. So following are the three type of average depth of precipitation, that is the arithmetic mean method, thesis polygon method and isohedral method. Today we discuss arithmetic mean method. So now that is the arithmetic mean method. So this method is very simple. Arithmetic mean method is the simple, and this method is the rainfall value is obtained from the average depth of precipitation. And all the rain gauge all the rain gauge station are added. A number of stations get added and divide number of stations to get the average value. Suppose n is the number of station and R1, R2, R3 so the average depth of precipitation is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot dot by n. I repeat this. Suppose n is the number of station. N is the number of station. When we calculate the math, you clear that. Suppose two number of station and R1, R2, R3 is the rainfall. R1, R2, R3 is the rainfall. So the average depth of precipitation, the average depth of precipitation equal to R1, R2, R3 by n means that, what is the meanings of R1, R2, R3? R1, R2, R3 is the meaning of that. The rainfall, the amount of rainfall, suppose 120 mm, 144, whatever the depth of rainfall, and n is the number of station. Suppose two number of station, three number of station, and if we divided that, then I ultimately get the average depth of precipitation. So this method is reliable to get the accurate value of average rainfall. So this method is reliable to get the accurate value of average precipitation. So this method is reliable to get the accurate value of average rainfall or precipitation. Suppose it is the example of math. It is the math of average depth of rainfall for the catchment area. What is the catchment area? We discussed in the previous class and previous note. So for the catchment area, the detail of given each rain gauge and recording of the rain gauge in the month of August 2011 given below. The rain gauge station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and area 720 380 area in kilometer square. So in station 1, rain gauge station 1, area is the 720. In rain gauge 2, area is the 380. In 3, 440. In station 4, 1040. station 5 800 kilometer square in 6 20220 220 recorded rainfall in during this year of month. In rainfall in first rain gauge, that is second, in second station rain gauge station, that is third, that is fourth 126, fifth 99 mm 99 mm, and in sixth 115 mm. So determine the average depth of rainfall on the basis in this year by arithmetic mean method. So before we calculation, it is clear that when we calculated the arithmetic mean method, you must be clear that the only rain gauge station, which rain gauge station are within the basin, the value of rainfall is taken of this within basin rainfall. In our problem 234 station 2, in our problem 1, 2, 4 are within the basin, so we taken this value of the rain gauge. In station 1 the value of rainfall is 121, in station 2 the value is the 134, station 4 126, and the number of a station is the 3, 1, 2, 3, and we divided it, getting this value 127 mm. So it is the average depth of rainfall or precipitation. So the average depth of rainfall of average depth of rainfall of within rain gauge station is the 127 mm. So we repeat this math again. So given this value and determine the average depth of rainfall by the arithmetic mean method. So before we calculation, we clear that within the basin which rain gauge is taken, in the means that বেসিনের আন্ডারে যে সমস্ত রেন গেজ স্টেশনগুলো আসবে তাদের ভ্যালুগুলো আমি ক্যালকুলেশন করব। মিনস দ্যাট হুইচ rain gauge stations is come within the basin. In our problem 1 to 4 rain gauge stations is within the basin. So we solution the problem within this value. So here the rain gauge station of 1, its rainfall is 121. Station 2, that is station 4, that is, and number of station is 3. It is a 1 1 2 3, so 3, and ultimately we divided that and getting this value 127. 127. So the average depth of rainfall within rain gauge station is 127 mm. Thank you.